In today's video, I'll show you how to unlock all cars and get ultimate money in Need for Speed Unbound. Check my video description for this cheat engine download link. Once download done, just double click on the cheat engine and install the cheat engine application. Once installed done, open Run as administrator and select yes option. Now check my video description for this Need for Speed Unbound unlock everything. Drag and drop this file in this active list and then minimize this and launch the game. Once you are in game, press Alt Tab and get back to Cheat Engine. Then select this first icon, select your process to open, and select the Need for Speed Unbound and select Open option. Keep the current address list and select Yes option. Checkmark this option, unlock everything. Once you checkmark this, get back to the game and go to Garage. Once you are in game, press Alt Tab and get back to the cheat engine. Right now, my current in-game value is 2,300. You need to type how much dollar you have in game. Select the scan option. Once you scan this, get back to the game and go to rides and buy anything you like to use. I'm gonna buy this $1,000. Buy. Once you brought this, get back to the cheat engine. Sorry, you need to go to in-game and see how much dollar you have right now after spending. Right now I have $1,300. Get back to cheat engine. In value, type 1,300 and select next scan option, and everything is selected as you can see. Select one of these value and press in keyboard Ctrl+A to select all, and then select this down arrow. Everything will be listed here. Press Ctrl+A to select all, uncheck unlock everything, right click and select change record value. Type how much money you like to have in game and select OK. So the value is not taken. So I'm gonna type 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So once you enter the 10 value and select OK, everything is changed. Get back to the game. Go to play. And as you can see, value has changed. Go to rides. Now you can buy whatever you like to. Gonna buy this $18,000. Get back to the game. And that's how you can get lots of money in Need for Speed Unbound. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.